Hi, this is Swati. As I have told that I have bought the Ed Uncle's books, so now I'm telling you, I'm showing you the books of Ed Uncle for the CSIR NET JRF. As I have got the collection of these books, so now let me show you. Oh God! Wait a minute. I have already. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, these are the books of the Ed Uncle. Now I'm telling you, I'm showing you these books. It is a this is a 10 total. I think 10, yeah, 10, yeah. 10 books are provided to me by the Ed Uncle, and the cost of these books are 6500 only. So now let me show you these papers. It was a volume solved paper 1, chemical science, very specific. Yeah, the first I have shown. Now the second one, CSIR net, UGC net, chemical science. Okay, I'm showing you how these pictures like words uh, are here. Okay, cool. And the second thing, yeah, what it is. Yeah, organic reaction mechanism, common name reaction, molecular arrangement, oxidizing agents, reducing. Okay, there should be reducing agents, organometallic reagents, and the topic names for the organic chemistry. Second, it is okay, and for the organic chemistry first, let me find out it. Okay, this is for the inorganic chemistry. Now these topics names are here. I think inorganic books, 2 or 3 books are provided for the inorganic, and 2 3 for the organic chemistry, and 2 3 for the physical chemistry. Topics name: chemical periodicity, chemical bonding and structure of the molecules, concept of acid and bases, and these three blocks in manner transition elements. Yeah, now let me. Yeah, inorganic chemistry. Yeah, books are quite good. Yeah, we can prepare for the CSIR NET JRF for this by this book, and about the coaching, you can find any coachings online or offline, whatever you want to do. Inorganic chemistry third, inorganic chemistry 4 and 5, coordination chemistry, inner transition chemistry, organometallic compounds, cascades and clusters, compound analytical chemistry, bioinorganic, spectroscopy, nuclear chemistry. These are the topics which is uh, this is here. Now let me show you coordination chemistry. Yeah, okay, monodentate, bidentate, tridentate, tetra, whatever is this. Yeah, and now okay, it's all quite good. Okay, let me physical chemistry. Now this is the physical chemistry topic, which contains all the topics, all the syllabus of the CSIR net of physical chemistry, as you can see. Okay, physical chemistry, quantum mechanics or wave mechanics. Okay, Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, finally, and the next one is, I'm showing you all the books one by one. So most solved paper, model solved paper. Okay, maximum. Okay, I think these are the papers, like question sets for the, yeah, it is with the solution. This contains all the question of the CSIR with the solution. Okay, and this one where it is contents. Yeah, organic chemistry third, 4, and Yeah, photochemistry, heterocyclic. Photochemistry was some of my most favorite. Supramolecular, my most favorite topics, medicinal, and catalysis of green chemistry. I'm also preparing for the CSIR net. So I purchased actually these books for me for the preparation of the CSIR. So I thought I should share these reviews with all of you so that you can find the good books for yourself. Okay, this is also done. Don't come here, don't come here. Go there, go there. Go there, go there.